Hey there. Before we begin, take a deep breath. This is your moment. A new beginning. A new chance to grow. You're not here by mistake. You're here because deep inside, you want to change. You want to learn. You want to believe in yourself again. Maybe English feels hard. Maybe life feels heavy. But guess what? You're stronger than you think. And I'm here to walk this journey with you. Step by step. Word by word. With heart. Let's begin. Have you ever felt like giving up? Like English is too difficult? Like no one really understands how hard you're trying? Maybe you studied, you watched videos. You listened. You repeated. But the words just didn't stay. The grammar felt like a puzzle. You felt tired, frustrated, alone. But let me share a small secret with you. Learning English is not a race. It's a journey. And every journey begins with one small, brave step. Let me tell you a story. There was a boy named Arif. He lived in a quiet village. He was kind, but shy. When someone spoke English, he looked away. He thought, I will never be like them. His friends laughed when he tried. So, he stopped trying. His dream slowly faded, but one morning, Arif heard something inside him say, try again. Just one sentence. Every day. So he did. He stood in front of a mirror and whispered, I can speak English. One sentence. Then two. Then a short story. 1 year passed. And Arif didn't become perfect. But he became something more powerful. He became brave. And that was enough to change everything. Now listen closely, my friend. You don't need big, heavy books. You don't need to spend a lot of money. You don't need perfect grammar. What you need is heart. What you need is hope. And most of all, what you need is practice. So let's practice together. Repeat after me, I am learning English. I am doing my best. I will not give up. I believe in myself. Well done. You did it. You spoke from your heart. And that matters more than perfect English. Remember, making mistakes is okay. Mistakes mean you are growing. Step by step. Day by day. Speak slowly. Listen carefully. Enjoy the journey. Because one day, you'll look back and smile and say, I didn't give up. I did it. And when that day comes, I'll be right here, clapping for you. So don't stop now. Take one small step today. And tomorrow, take another. Your English journey has already started. Let's walk this road together. You are not alone. I believe in you. See you in the next lesson.